A little bit of somber news today. The professional golfer Tiger Woods has sustained serious injuries after crashing his Genesis GV80. Hello everyone and welcome to Hot Cars. And this isn't the kind of news story that we would typically bring up. We are a car-focused channel, but a lot of us have a deep respect for Tiger Woods, so we wanted to at least address the big news that came about yesterday, which was that Tiger Woods took his vehicle for a drive and went a bit too fast, and he rolled down a hill known in Los Angeles as being particularly dangerous. We can report that Tiger Woods is in a good, healthy state of mind, although he has broken multiple bones in his legs and underwent some very serious surgery. So unfortunately, it is going to be quite some time until Tiger Woods is back to 100%. He's going to have a long road of recovery ahead of him. Now, we wanted to bring this up because we deeply respect Tiger Woods here at Hot Cars and we really wish him the best. This is a car channel. This isn't the kind of news that we would typically bring up, but it is a good opportunity to talk quickly about the Genesis GV80, as when I was looking into it, there aren't official stars associated to this vehicle when it comes to safety ratings from the NHTSA. Even though pretty much all SUVs of this class have at the very least a 4 or 5 star capability, it's obvious that from the damage sustained from this vehicle in this incident that we're looking at a pretty tough vehicle here. This is a car that's designed to go up against the BMW X5 and Mercedes GLE, and I'm sure this is the kind of publicity that Genesis wouldn't particularly like for their new vehicle. When I say new, it's really only shown up to dealerships in the past month or two, but this is, I think, a good representation of just how safe and how well engineered modern cars are. This is a vehicle that literally rolled down a hill, and you can tell that the main structure of the car is well intact, even though, yes, there's a lot of broken glass and beaten up bodywork. I think Tiger Woods is lucky to be alive, and that's a quote that has been shared by the Los Angeles County Sheriff. We're looking at quite, in a way, a fortunate incident. So that's all the news I wanted to bring up today, and like we said, deep respect to Tiger Woods. We wish him well, and we'll get back to regularly scheduled programming with car news on Friday. Thanks a lot, have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you for watching on Hot Cars.